from an official trip. What he saw from Ikeja all the way to his residence in Ikoyi, only God could have made it possible. What he saw was bewildering. The love from all Lagosians, the low, the high, the mighty, people lining the streets from Ikeja to Ikoyi was only a testament of the hope that Ashwaju promised Nigerians. That hope is being manifested, has been manifested in 30 days. A hope that we thought would manifest in 4 years began to manifest within 1 week, continued its manifestation within 2 weeks, continued that manifestation within 3 weeks, and up to now. Inshallah, the manifestation will continue from now for the next 4 years. It is only Allah that has made it possible. The weight of Nigeria, is not the weight that any normal, ordinary human being can carry, except with the help of Almighty Allah. It is evident, therefore, that the Almighty Allah is with our president. He is carrying the weight for him. It is clear to Mr. President, and it is clear to us, and those of us who fear God, that he will not be where he is today, if not for the benevolence of Allah. We all, I do not mean to need to repeat history. We all witnessed the election. We all saw what happened. No human being, except with the blessing of God, could have won that election. It is not that she turn that corner. We'll turn that corner. All the president needs from you today and tomorrow is your prayers. That is all. It is the most important thing. As we go back to Abuja, go with us with prayers. As we are in Abuja, continue to remember us in prayer. I must not leave this microphone without responding to what my brother, the deputy governor, said. So I will put it in context. The deputy governor said to me yesterday when we were waiting for Mr. President, how are you coping? This job is a very difficult job. Even with me as deputy governor in ordinary Lagos State, see all my text messages. I keep getting them. He showed me, he had 500 and something text. He had 500 and something text messages that he had not responded to. 800 and something that he had not responded to. I said, Ida. Chebe Kodi, last one here. When you go Nigeria, text messages don't put me not to Lucy.